these things get overloaded.
Right.
They have to put a sign for 12 people.
Right.
People probably try cramming.
That's right. UT Austin Communications Building A.
Big traction.
Yes, from Tejas.
Looks like they might have been Otis. It's hard to tell because...
Actually, they used to be Dover.
I was going to say either Dover or Otis just based on the keyholes.
Right.
Why do they have two drop keyholes?
I have a retired professor friend. That's
Seven.
Instant door close. I like that.
Me too.
These are quick.
Oh yes.
I'd say probably about 300 feet per minute.
Probably.
Jesse H. Jones Communication Center is the name of this.
Let's go to 2. Alrighty.
Let's get the door closed. Hopefully I didn't close it on nobody.
Nope.
There's Captain Elevator 42189.
And DieselDucy.
Directory. And we're stopping. I'll continue with my cab view.
On 5.
You're stopping on 5. Open the door. Come on in.
Oh, we actually went out.
You're going up? Okay. Well, we're going down.
Oh well. ADA compliant.
People don't know how to use the elevator.
Jeez.
I mean, why do you... I guess they pressed both buttons.
Right.
We're going up, but you get out, you push the... They have to press both buttons.
Right.
There it goes. There.
Ready?
All right. Where are we?
Communications Building B at UT Austin.
All right. You know what I'm thinking? We can ask for the key for it, maybe. 8's locked. 7, 6, 5, 4. We can only go to 4.
Right.
And then down to 1. Then we'll end at 3.
Alright.
And instant door close. Hi.
Hi there.
Send it up to the 3th floor. It's probably burned out. Try it again.
It's probably burned out.
Wonder who has the key. Maybe we can ask for the keys for it.
I wonder.
We can ask the front desk. Here are 3. This thing is, what was it originally?
Dover.
Dover?
Now it's Tejas.
Tejas got it?
Yes.
When was this place built?
1970.
Oh, 1970. There it goes there.
This is the elevator at UT Austin Communications Building C. Innovation Cruiser.
Let's just focus. This small.
Yes.
Number 2. Doesn't smell very good in here.
That's what most of the new elevators smell like.
It smells like leaky hydraulic fluid.
Oh no. Let's go to 4.
Does the close work? Yeah, it does.
Innovation Cruiser.
Yep, and select 3 once it stops. I guess you can hit before it stops. It might cancel again. This is clearly an older Dover.
Right.
That right there, I don't know if I have a key for or not. I lost focus.
Yes.
It's a basic elevator, but it's small.
Yes.
Of course, there's our friend Captain Elevator exiting the elevator.
And DieselDucy.
I got you coming off.
Here it goes.